Have you ever wondered why Binance Coin is more than just an exchange token? It's time to delve into the world of Binance Coin, or BNB as it's commonly known. This fascinating cryptocurrency is the native coin of the Binance exchange, one of the largest and most influential platforms in the crypto universe. BNB's journey is quite intriguing. It was born as an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain. However, it soon outgrew its initial framework and transitioned to its own blockchain, the Binance Chain. This shift was a game changer, allowing Binance Coin to expand its reach and functionality. Within the Binance exchange, BNB is not just a token, it's a multifunctional tool. It's used to pay for transaction fees, a way to participate in token sales, and even a means to invest in new projects. But Binance Coin's utility extends far beyond just serving as an exchange token. There's so much more to this coin than meets the eye. So let's explore further. So, what makes Binance Coin stand out from other cryptocurrencies? Binance Coin, or BNB, is unique in several ways. One of its distinguishing features is its limited supply. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that can be mined indefinitely, there's a hard cap on the total number of BNB coins that will ever exist, 200 million to be precise. This scarcity helps to maintain the coin's value over time. Another key feature of Binance Coin is its burn mechanism. Every quarter, Binance commits to using 20% of its profits to buy back and destroy, or burn, BNB coins. This process reduces the overall supply of BNB, which can lead to an increase in the coin's value. BNB isn't just a cryptocurrency though. It's also the native utility token of the Binance Smart Chain, a blockchain platform for developing decentralized applications. This gives BNB a central role in a vibrant and growing ecosystem. And the Binance ecosystem is where BNB really shines. It's used in Binance Pay, a contactless, borderless, and secure cryptocurrency payment technology. It's also used in the Binance Card, a crypto Visa card that lets you shop with crypto anywhere Visa is accepted. And these are just two examples among many. Binance is always innovating and creating new products and services where BNB plays a key role. As you can see, Binance Coin plays a crucial role in not just the Binance exchange, but also in the broader Binance ecosystem. So, to wrap it up, Binance Coin, or BNB, is not your average crypto token. Its unique features, like burning mechanisms and utility within the Binance ecosystem, set it apart from the rest. It's not just a means of payment or a simple utility token, but a powerful tool that drives one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Keep in mind, Binance Coin's potential extends beyond the exchange. Indeed, Binance Coin is more than just an exchange token. It's a key player in the world of cryptocurrencies,